Hey guys, quick one for you here today. 2000 Mustang. If you've got a turn signal out, show you real quick. So for the front one, go up underneath and it's this right here. Turn it to the left a little bit and it'll come right out. And then I'll show you what to do for the rear. Okay, on the rear, you're gonna have to get this panel off. Now, this panel pops in place there, so you've got these little style of keepers that go here and there. Same style of keeper goes there. And then for this one up here, it's actually got this thumb screw. For these style, you can just take a flathead screwdriver and pop that center out and then they'll come right out. And then you do have to pull this plastic up and over this lip and then that'll lay back like so. Next thing you'll want to do is get these nuts out. So there's one back there, one down there, and one up there. So let's get those off and I'll show you what we got. Okay, we've got those three off. Those are 7/16. You can use a wrench, but a socket's a heck of a lot easier. Deep well. And then the light will pull out like so. So now there is a connector inside that you can disconnect, so you can take this thing out. Obviously you can see from this one that grommet, somebody's been in here before, which is understandable with the age of the vehicle. But that grommet should be popped in there so that moisture can't get inside. But then that gives you access to your bulbs here. And these are just like the front, where you turn them counterclockwise just a little bit and then they'll come right out. Your bulb will just wiggle a little bit, it'll come right out, and you can put your new one in. Alright, so here we are set up here. Let's do a little bit of a turn to the left, and that bulb pretty black there. That's likely our culprit on this car. That one's a little bit dark, and that one looks great. Also, down here at the bottom, this is the backup light bulb. Alright, so for this vehicle, these bulbs are a 4057. Okay, so got our new bulb. Don't have to worry about touching the bulb on the old one. Kind of wiggle it back and forth and it'll come out of there. You don't want to touch the glass on the new one. You can either use a glove, or I just use a paper towel like this. And these will go either way. They have little pins on them, and then just snap it in there where it snaps in nice like that, good and firm. And then just the opposite of when we removed it, put it in, turn and lock, and now that thing's ready to be reinstalled back in the car. Okay, so we got the taillight popped in there. I'll go ahead and put the three nuts back on. Remember when you go to snug these down that those studs are mounted in the plastic housing of the taillight. So just snug them, don't really crank down on them. Alright, with those nuts snug down now, we're ready to plug in this connector. And then we can go ahead and set this panel back up there and just reinstall that guy in the reverse of how you took it out. So hey folks, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out. I assume 05 to 9 or 10 Mustangs are the same, or at least similar. So this will let you get your turn signal changed. You'll know you've got a bulb out or going out if you put your turn signal on in one direction and it starts blinking really fast. That's usually the telltale sign for that. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.